Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Anggun Pertiwi. In this video, I would like to tell you about, I would like give you an explanation about an article. The title of this article is The Relationship of Students' Metacognitive Reading Strategies, Awareness, and Reading Comprehension. The case of the sixth semester student of English Department Universitas Negeri Padang. The author are Zuletwi Wahyuni, Ratmanida, and Leni Marlina. In English Department, Faculty of Language and Arts, Universitas Negeri Padang. Let's move on to the next slide. In this video, there are four components. First, abstract, and then introduction, and next research method, and the last one is conclusion. Abstract. Basically, this study is about the relationship of student metacognitive reading strategies, awareness, and reading comprehension. The case of sixth semester student of English Department Universitas Negeri Padang. The study tried to ascertain the level awareness and type strategies that respondent use when the English academic text and their reading performance. Using a SORS questionnaire and test TOEFL with students K1 until 5 English Department Universitas Negeri Padang. The study that the awareness of respondents on using metacognitive reading strategies is on medium level. From categories of metacognitive reading strategies, the problem-solving strategies is the most used by respondents. On the level reading comprehension, the respondents got below average or low level correlation. The study used person-product correlation moment. The study reveals that there is no relationship between metacognitive reading strategies, awareness, and reading comprehension. And let's move on to the next slide. Is about introduction. Reading comprehension difficulties still become a big problem for some students. First, students lack proper metacognitive strategies to manage their own reading effectively. And then students are uncertain of what metacognitive strategies are and how to use them. To solve this problem, students can use metacognitive reading strategies to comprehend the reading text. In this case, metacognitive reading strategy becomes one of crucial aspects for learners in comprehending the reading text. The research method. The first one is population. The population of this research was the sixth semester of student of the English Department of Padang University in the academic year 2017 and 2018. The total population was 155 students from 5 classes. It's chosen as subject of the research for the following reasons. The first is the students were in the same grade and have been studying English for the same period of time. And then B, the student have been familiar with English. And C, the student have already learned course of reading, reading 1, reading 2, and advanced reading and extensive reading. And then next, we talk about sample. The sample for the research were selected by applying in the study with selected by using applying random sampling technique. The reasons why researchers choose random sampling are: first, it's the best way to obtain a representative sample according to Gay, Geoffrey, and Peter. Even so, random sampling has no technique, but it guarantees a representative sample. Second, random sampling is also easy to conduct. And next, instrumentation. In this study, whole data on both variables were collected in equality short time as data collector questionnaire about metacognitive awareness. And next, technique of data collection. Actually, there are some steps, some procedure to this to do data collection. The first one is the students were asked to enter the room that has been prepared for taking the data. Next, the students were asked to listen the explanation from researchers about what will they do when the process of collecting data is ongoing. And C, the students were asked to fill in questionnaire SORS at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, the researchers collected the questionnaire. And D, the students were asked to answer the test of reading comprehension about 55 minutes in the answer sheet. And E, the researchers collected the test. And the last one is the data type in the Microsoft Excel. Next is technique analysis of level students TOEFL test reading comprehension score. In this step, to acquire valid score that defines student ability in the test, it needs clear criteria to assess their work. To qualify this need, the writer calculated the score of the student in the test. Basically, the method was by counting how many numbers through, then based on the numbers, the writer will convert the score based on the TOEFL reading scale score. You can see in this slide, there are 3 levels of reading strategies. And next is analysis of the level students to full test reading comprehension score. To acquire valid score that defines students' ability in the test, it needs clear 2 criteria to assess to qualify this need. The writer calculated the score of the students in the test. Basically, the method counting how many numbers through, then based on the numbers, the writer will convert the score based to full reading score. And then analysis of correlation between metacognitive reading strategy awareness and reading comprehension to investigate the relationship between students' metacognitive awareness of reading strategies and comprehension. The researchers examined the data from 2 full tests and source questionnaire by computing the data by applying the formula of the Pearson by using Microsoft Excel. And last slide is about conclusion. The average score, so the conclusion of this article is the average score of the student metacognitive reading strategies awareness is 100.86, mean 3.4 with medium level. And then The second conclusion is PRB strategies were classified as foremost reading strategies, type to be used more by students during reading with 23 students. Afterward, the second preference of metacognitive reading strategies usage was sub-strategies with 30 students. Lastly, the level of GLOB strategies was placing the lowest level with 9 students. And there is no significant relationship between the students' metacognitive reading strategies awareness and reading comprehension. This result is obtained from the computation of the relationship of the students' metacognitive reading strategies awareness and reading comprehension applied to the sample is blah, blah, blah. Therefore, the correlation between the two variables above is no correlation. And these are the results of the article. The title of the book is The Importance of Metacognitive Reading Strategy Awareness in Reading Comprehension. And then the relationship between Saudi AFL college level students' use of reading strategies and their FL reading comprehension, and so on. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you for your time. If you have any question, you can chat in the comment box. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.